Hi guys, welcome. This video is going to show you how to accessorize your braids and cornrows with strings. Guys, when you purchase the hair string packaging of this one, rainbow something, comes like this. After a while the color changes. Another option which is commonly available, especially in Nigeria, is this one. We would open this up like this and pull out the smaller sections that are inside. So I am going to be demonstrating the first technique on this one, which is these braids you will see here. To have an idea of it will be if it will be enough or not, and then you add some extra. I count 1 2 3, cross, latch onto it and pull it over. Go from the opposite side, latch onto this one and pull it. Arrange to make sure you have a nice crossing. Cross over, grab and pull. Enter where this one came out from. You could actually easily enter like this. Grab and pull. So this I'm going to demonstrate the next type of design with this one, the crochet hook, to attach this to your box braid like this, going this way, just like this, cross like this, cross. So now you can mix these designs if you want to. So if I want to make this crisscross a little bit longer, this is what it will look like, crisscrossing at a distance. I am not crossing over so fast, so bear in mind that you should adjust your X to look as you want. The crisscross on this one. So cross in the front, go to the back, cross at the back, come to the front, cross in the front, go to the back. Cross in the front, go to the back, cross at the back, come to the front, cross in the front, go to the back, cross at the back, come to the front. If this is too complex for you, or you just don't have the patience or the time or you prefer another design, let's do this one. So you grab the hair like this and pull it through, secured. So now all you need to do is go in, grab both of them, pull, turn it around, go back, grab, pull, turn it around, go back, grab, maintaining the same distance of where you go into the braid so that you will have both of them uniformly spaced. So oh shit, go back and grab the second one if this happens. You can actually also do this with just one strand. It is going to make it, you can do this with just one strand, it is going to make it look a little bit more scanty, like the design will not look as pronounced as this, the color will not be as obvious. If you notice, I am also going in after one plate, after one plate, after one plate, after one plate, just like that. So this is the next plate. If you're having a challenge going into your braid like this with the latch hook, an easier way you can go in is like this. So you open it up, grab onto the point like this and go in. It is easier to go in that way than pushing the whole blunted end through the hair. So go, this takes more effort, but it doesn't bother me, I can do that. So I just keep going. This design is faster and you can space it as much as you want, and it still looks as cute as the other one. Okay, so we are done. Once you get to the tail of the braid, or if you're doing this on a box braid, at this point you can just start going like this. That's all. So on box braid it is actually easier. Just keep going round, 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 just like that, just like that, just like this. And when you get to where you want to stop, you can just forget one braid. Let me forget the shorter one, go around with just one, so I would use a latch hook because I need to pull this into the braid back. Go in from here, grab it, pull it underneath, and then create your loop. There you go. Guys, you can use any type of string, so you need to just apply a dab of super glue here to make sure it doesn't come off. And this is it. You can use any type of string you want. This is one type. I'm going to grab the second type that we usually use real quick and
make this design between two braids and also this design. Thank you, stay tuned, bye.